Bro,
Macau.
my fucking mic shut. Yo, my
Macau.
fucking mic cut out. That's the thing.
Macau.
Yeah, I'm right here, bro. Joe, I'm right here. Right here, bro.
Alright, show me what you did, bro. Show me what you did.
I made a new video. So
Shit.
when I was doing a
Shit.
new video,
Uh-huh. Oh shit. What the fuck? Yo, congrats, bro.
and I'm getting well, at least 500 VPH
Damn, bro.
and
Congrats.
peep ABD real quick.
40, 47? Yo. That's actually impressive, bro. That's actually good.
And by the way,
What's up?
I'm gonna show you the STW, and then I'm gonna tell you the exact fucking thing that happened.
Alright, let me know. Let me know. Tell me.
My STW was at 60%, by the way.
Shit.
My AVD was at 20 seconds. And that's not even the best part.
What's the best part, man?
Do you see this?
Oh,
This,
what?
okay, no, not even that. This
What?
shit was at 60% APV, by the way.
What? Nah, man, congrats, bro.
60% APV. I went up to 94 and it dropped down a little bit to like 92.
Congrats,
Highest
man.
liked video on the channel and also like so much fucking engagement.
What?
1,000. Yo,
Yo.
look at this shit. Look at this shit.
Oh my God. 4 dislikes is crazy though. But 1,000
Four,
though is
yo,
crazy. What?
like 1,035 likes, four dislikes.
A su madre, wey.
And I saw this shit on TikTok, by the way.
No
And I remade it
manches.
myself.
Well, congrats, man. Congrats.
Bro, no, I'm gonna tell you. As soon as I fucking posted this shit, look at 5 hours is what it took. 5 hours I was on zero views on this for this fucking video.
No manches, wey.
Oh, like I'm telling you, like, what the fuck is going on? I was thinking to myself, yo, is there something wrong with what I did, or like is YouTube fucking tripping out?
That's crazy, man. Congrats, bro. Congrats.
And I'm about to make another. I'm gonna make another part two of this too.
Yeah, make
So I'm
another banger,
thinking,
man. Make another banger.
cause if I can fucking achieve this much,
Nice, bro. Nice.
oh,
Let me see the
cause
analytics.
I of everything
Yeah,
or just
yeah,
the
yeah.
video
Analytics.
again.
Let me see. Yeah, that shit's rising up, bro. That's just going to the
No.
top, bro.
I think this has a chance of breaking 30K jail, but even if it doesn't, the next three have a better chance.
Hey, man. Congrats.
Cause if this breaks 30K jail, my next ones are holy fuck. They're going. They're gonna go. Nah. Bro, cause I'm telling you, I don't expect 1,000. I didn't expect 1,000 VPH on this.
Nah, man. Your channel's doing great. Keep going.
Shit. I'll try my best. I'll try my best.
Yeah, keep going.
Cause bro, this flatline pissed me off though. I was
Oof.
on this fucking flatline on
Yeah, yeah,
subs,
yeah. I
and then
see. I see.
finally.
Yeah, man. Congrats,
Alright,
man.
I'm not gonna hold you for too long.
And yeah, with that being said, that's the video I have for you guys. Honestly, this is the channel one that from a client that has been winning from a WAP, as you can see. So how do you get access to the WAP? Many people been answering questions about this. So you gotta message me your Discord username. I'll add you as soon as possible. I'll message you, and yeah, once I message you, I'll get you in a call. What kind of niche you want to get into, and etc. And I'll just give you, sources, giving you like ideas, AI tools, and etc. It just goes on and on and on. And yeah, with that being said, that's all I have for you guys. If you guys are confident enough joining in my community, you guys are welcome and going in. It's gonna be in the comment or in the description or link in bio. Those three options. Join in. But yeah, that being said, I showed you the tutorial, like, how to join in, and yeah, you get the rules. I do shorts and long forms, so yeah, you get the rules also. So with that being said, this is it. This is honestly a big one for me. Honestly, big surprise for me. I know my hair's all like this, so yeah. See you guys.